In a quarter mile, merge onto I-285 South.
Come on, goddamn!
I'm Cass, and welcome back to Crafting with Cass for the 100th time, because today's project is my 100th DIY project here on YouTube, and I'm so excited that I was able to create as many projects as I have, and I'm looking forward to creating a lot more. I did have to take a break for a minute just to kind of recharge and revitalize myself. I had a lot of life changes within the last couple of years, and everything that was going on in the world, it was just a lot. So I'm excited to get back to what I really enjoy doing and continuing to use this as the outlet that I created it to be. So if you want to ride on this journey with me, then make sure you're subscribed with that bell notification so you can always see what I'm crafting next. And without any more further hesitation, let's go ahead and let's get right started. So for these projects, I'm going to be re-DIYing some of the DIYs that I've done in the past, and I'm going to be repurposing this heart planter box into some cute fall decor. And so here I'm just starting to demo everything and removing all of the pieces from the decor that I'm not going to be using. So I'm going to use some of this faux wood wrapping paper that I got from the dollar store, and I'm going to use this to completely wrap the box to give it a faux wood look. And then I just use a utility knife to trim the excess, and then I'll complete the same process for all four sides of the box. And the adhesive backing stuck to the rest of the box pretty good, but I decided to add a little glue on the edges just to make sure that it was a better hold. And then I used the letter stickers from the dollar store and added fresh pumpkins on the face of the box, and I just kind of used my fingers to unstick them a little bit just so I can make sure that I placed the letters exactly where I wanted them to be. pumpkins that I painted white previously and added these into the inside of the box. I decided to swap out these plant labels for this greenery because I thought it would look cuter. And for the next part of this project, I'm going to be reusing some jars that I've used in the previous project, and I'm going to be repurposing them to match this fall decor. And so here I'm just repainting the labels so I can add some cute fall sayings to the front. And then once the labels are dry, I'm just adding some cute sayings to the front. So I'm adding pumpkin pie, pumpkin latte, and pumpkin spice to the front of the jars. I'm adding some of the remaining white pumpkins inside of the jars. And then I gathered everything and loaded it into this gold basket that I got from the dollar store, and wrapped some greenery in the basket as well, just for a really cute presentation. Thanks so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe with the bell to see what I'm crafting next.